Alright, assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to the ICP update. ICP trading at $13.037, which is pretty much what is going on nowadays with ICP. Quite good, quite quite safe, I may say. And there's this small little bit of a pattern that you broke out of, which was an ascending, descending, broadening wedge like this. So this was somewhat bullish, and you ended up breaking above it. So when you broke above it, you pretty much came up to the to this technical target as well. So one thing I may see is that if ICP wants to probably retrace down, we may see it actually touching this line right over here. We might actually see just a very small push to 11.6 and then probably start to pump back again, which in my opinion does make a lot of sense. So support and resistance are things that you guys should be probably looking after. And right now you do have this right over here, a break that happened previously, and you came down for the retest and you're holding the retest. So it could actually just come down again, and you can also see that this is still one level that is very good for holding. Now secondly, I see the daily time frame to be much more interesting than anything else, and for some reason I'm just going to show you the daily, and the daily is quite amazing. You can see that on the daily time frame we do have ICP with probably a bullish engulfing right over here. Okay, so when you have one red candle and when you have one such big huge green candle right here, that to me looks like a nice morning star and a bullish engulfing combined as well. And you can see that this thing is also right on the EMA. So this is quite a strong statement, at least to me, that the prices are climbing and you're holding the EMAs and you're still maintaining the uptrend, and you had a very strong reaction from the buyers since yesterday. Now if you, in the next 10 hours, if you're going to fail to cross above this previous green candle from yesterday, then you're going to have this two being bearish candle. It's quite funny, isn't it? I mean, if I turn off the EMAs right there, so you see that these two are actually bullish, but these two are going to be bearish. These are known as bearish harami candle, where you have this one green and one red next to it. You may start to be a little bit more cautious, but the thing is that I personally would say that if ICP doesn't come to 10.3, I think it's safe as far as it's above, not even 10.3 actually. As far as ICP is above 8.2 actually. So we're going to do two levels at the moment. Okay, I'm getting confused here. What exactly am I trying to summarize? So yeah, I'm going to keep it simple. Number one is coming down and taking out this wick is going to invalidate this whole bullish candle, right? Which opens up the door for actually coming down to 8.9. And as far as we're holding 8.9, that's also still okay. I think even 8.5 is okay, 8.4 is okay. But coming down to maybe 8.2 and failing to close above 8.3 and actually closing below 8.2, and you're hitting your head like this, then that's going to be something really bad in the future. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.